Hey everybody, happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a great start to your week. So the 59 is officially sold. The wire came in this morning. Kind of cool on this one. It's awesome, I think. It's my first sale to a gentleman in India. I have never exported a car to India before. I've exported cars to Australia, England, Dubai, Denmark. I believe I did one to Germany. But my first one to India, and a little story behind that, which I'll include some pictures in the end of this video. I think it's pretty awesome. The gentleman over there runs the family business, the Indian Express newspaper, which has been in business since 1932, so pre-World War II. My grandfather was stationed in India, in Burma, during World War II. He was an air traffic controller, and he was out in the jungles in his little hut doing his air traffic control job. So I think it's really awesome. It's very special to me. He always said that the people of India were very loving and kind, and he just loved them. So like I said, I'll include some pictures in the end of this video. And anyway, she is off. He owns 12 Cadillacs, I believe, including a 59 convertible, red and beautiful. So this one's going to get a full restoration like it deserves. And yeah, so it's going to be over there shortly. I'm very happy for the gentleman. He's a pleasure to work with, super kind. I'm not sure how long it's going to be sitting here until it gets transported, but I'll keep you guys updated like I always do. Have a blessed afternoon, everybody. Take care. See you in the next video.